there, little artists! Today, we are going to draw a friendly dragon holding a yummy donut. Let's get started! Start by coloring the dragon green. Don't forget to give him some fun orange spikes on his back. Now, let's color the donut. Use pink for the icing, and don't forget to sprinkle some colorful dots on top. Great, Job! Your dragon is all ready with his delicious donut. How fun does this look? Well done, young artist! Hi, everyone! Today, we're going to draw a cute ice cream cone with roller skates. Let's make it look amazing! Color the ice cream in a soft, creamy color. Then color the cone brown with a fun pattern on it. Don't forget the blue roller skates to make it super cool. Fantastic work! Now your ice cream is ready to roll around. It's looking so sweet and awesome. You did a great job!